Be the pro, not the puzzled. Subscribe to Career Story 60.
Which books did you try to read using ChatGPT or Gemini? Or did you try analyzing some of Harvard Business Review's articles? Or did you try to take a gist of TED Talks? If you have done any of it, awesome. If not, please try to do that. Okay, if you have been following day 1 to day 7 of Promptathon, welcome back. If not, I recommend watching those sessions first, and that helps us to build AI habits. Okay, today's topic, we'll try to analyze some financial reports. And why is that? Today's example is if you are an investor, you want to make an educated decision to buy stocks of a company, right? How can you analyze financial documents leveraging ChatGPT or Gemini or some other AI to get deep knowledge about it? So what I've done is I've gone to the Cognizance portal. I've checked their 2024 annual report, and I have already downloaded that annual report. And now what we'll do is we'll go to ChatGPT and start analyzing that report. So I have used this option and attached the Cognizance annual report. I've also put in prompt here. What I've done is I had one original prompt. I used ChatGPT to help refine my prompt. The prompt is this way. I have Cognizant's latest annual report and I'm considering investing in this company. So I want to buy some shares. I want your help to analyze to gain insights into their past performance, future outlook, strategic vision, and overall financial health. My goal is to make an informed investment decision based on a comprehensive understanding of this company. Feel free to ask questions. Why I'm asking that? So that it becomes a conversational prompt. So that you get a better context about what exactly I require. Because what exactly I require, ChatGPT doesn't know. That's why I'm asking you to have conversation with me. Let's see what it comes up with. Because I've attached it, it'll start reading it. It'll take some time. Oh, this is fast, not bad. So it's already reading it. It's telling me the past performance, 2024 revenue 19.7 billion. Oh, awesome. That's pretty good. Year on year growth of 2%. Okay, today's economy, and 1.9 in constant currency. Today's economy, it's reasonable. Booking of so much, margins, gap operating margin, not bad. Adjusted operating margin. But I don't understand this. I can ask ChatGPT what is adjusted operating margin. But anyway, let's keep that little later. Cash generation, capital allocation, strengths, concerns, future outlook. Okay, hyper productive, automation and AI assisted tools. Good, they are forward looking, and industrializing AI. That is also good. The CEO strategy is accelerate growth via AI led transformation, which is good. Amplify talent, over 230,000 associates trained in AI. Very, very good. Now, strategic vision, Cognizant is leaning into AI, which is nice. Offer domain AI specific like Neuro AI, Flow Source, Moment, very, very nice. Financial health debt, not highlighted as a concern. Cash position, so and so. Employee base is 336,000, largest base in India. Wow, very good. Revenue breakdown, health sciences is 31%, financial is almost similar. Products and resources, so much. Communication, media, and tech is the lowest there. Stability, well diversified, headwind, modern revenue. My questions to fine tune my analysis. Okay, it's asking some questions. Are you primarily interested in growth, dividends, on value investing? I'm actually looking at all three. Do you want a SWOT analysis, competitor comparison? Let's go with that also. Should I extract more financial details? No, I think I'm okay right now because I don't understand all the terms. What I will rather ask for point number three is make it in a very simple language because I'm not a technically financially sound, I'm not a chartered accountant. So I want in a very, lucid language for myself. Are you considering short term trading or long term? For mine is long term. So let me give those aspects, responses back to it. Let me first give you a view of what the Cognizance annual report looks like. It's got 113 pages. Now, if I keep swiping, it's got a long thing of the CEO message to the shareholders. What's about the growth? There are many pages about it. Nice pictures. People are happy. And there's some message from chief people officer, and there is scaling innovation. There is a Cognizant driving sales and transforming customer support, lot of graphs, and oh, here starts the t lot of data, lot of data. Oh, this is so much of fine print, so much of it. uh, and then there are graphs which are good visually, but I am take time to really analyze. Some of it could be straightforward, like revenue goes up and down, I can understand, but if they go really deep, I may not. So I'm so far on 55 to 57 pages. Let's stop it here. It's really a long, long report, and it'll really help if we can leverage ChatGPT or something to do that. Now, the example here is a Cognizant financial report, right? You can use that as, say, the government budget. You want to read a red herring for a IPO, or probably you want to understand a large report, a medical report, whatever is your situation and example, right? Leverage AI to do that. Okay, back to our ChatGPT window. Now I have given the responses as we spoke earlier. Let's see what this comes up with now. It's happy with the clarification. So, what does Cognizant do? Cognizant is a global IT services company. Okay, use AI and automation to work faster and cheaper. They build better apps and software. They improve customer experiences. Move to the cloud, like Google Cloud or Azure. Okay, growth potential. What is good? AI focus. Okay, which is good. Big deals. They have won 29 large contracts, which is nice. They're expanding services, okay, in aerospace, defense, auto industries. Very, very nice. What to watch? Slower revenue growth, 2% in 2024. I remember it used to be in double digit also once upon a time, but it's okay. Things are, macro conditions can impact. Competition is fierce. Companies like Accenture, Infosys, TCS are doing similar things. So Cognizant needs to stay sharp. Okay. In simple terms, Cognizant is like a small turtle. It's not moving fast, but it's consistent, focused on future, and taking small steps. It's a little cryptic message, but anyway, we'll get to that. Dividends are regular payments to shareholders, good for long term. Cognizant dividend story: they returned 1.2 billion to shareholders in 2024. Okay, which seems to be okay, but let's see how much per person it came to, or per share value it came to. Value investing, value signals: stable and profitable, cash rich. Okay, strong bookings. Again, there are some risks. Similarly, it has given me a nice comparison here. Growth potential, medium, okay, not booming. Dividends are strong, value is good, long term outlook good. My suggestion, not financial advice. Cognizant looks like a reliable, low drama stock for long term investors who want moderate growth like regular income. Okay. It seems to be okay. I'm okay to get moderate growth. I don't want really risky company. I'm fine with that. I'm happy with some dividends coming in. I would prefer a stable company over a high tech flashy, which I don't want a Baiju story here. Now it's asking me, do you want me to compare Cognizance to its comparison or something? I can ask, I can give it more options, right? And I can do that. Now that's the homework for you. But what I would say is, just don't stick to this example as a financial report. Think of 15, 20 more options. Go to ChatGPT and say, I want this. This is my example how I'm reading financial reports. Tell me 50 more examples of how I can use ChatGPT to analyze documents, report in any space, anywhere in the world, in any walk of life. Try that. Let's try this one, but you can take that as a homework. Try this first prompt, okay? And that is basically, you want to check how Cognizants make money. Your prompt is break down Cognizant's business model by explaining how each of its service segments contributes to revenue and growth, right? This will help you to understand which are the areas of business they're growing, okay? Similarly, there is one more. You can try this one as well. What are Cognizant's biggest opportunities in AI? Third is, how well is Cognizant managing its cost? And so on. Go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, give me 15 more questions or prompts that I can explore this financial report of Cognizant. Okay, that Cognizant's financial report is just an example. You can use it for a medical report or whatever you want to write. All right, thank you so much. This is Promptathon. Subscribe for more information.